Which is better, WPC Hybrid or SPC Hybrid? Well, the answer is neither. The next generation hybrid is the sweet zone. That's the one that's actually learnt from SPC and WPC and created something new and unique that has sort of solved the problems of the old. We'll quickly highlight WPC. Well, actually, let's go back to the beginning. We'll quickly highlight SPC. So SPC Hybrid is 90% of what's in the market. Fundamentally, that board is a flawed material. It's inflexible, doesn't bend, so substrates need to be literally mirror finished, which no substrate is, unless you go through a very lengthy and expensive process of putting flood coat leveling compound down, which not everyone wants to do. Because the idea of having this particular product is a relatively cost-effective product. If you were to go through that leveling compound process, you might as well have hardwood at the end of the day. And the board itself, its way that it clicks together only locks laterally, it doesn't lock vertically. So it can unbuckle itself, it can be vulnerable where it clicks together. And the major drawback is a product called silica, which is a binding agent that is attached to silicosis, which is essentially the modern day asbestos. So avoid that. The WPC came out and solved a lot of those problems. It put wood powder in instead of limestone. It used a luxury vinyl plank topper. So a huge amount of pluses, but it has a bit of limitation when it comes to its waterproof nature. It's not fully waterproof because it uses a wood. The next one is the next generation hybrid. So it uses a virgin aerated polymer versus the wood powder. So that's 100% waterproof. It's a little bit more flexible. The way that it clicks together is 5G click, so it locks it laterally and vertically. Way better system to work with. And the top layers are commercially rated luxury vinyl plank. Easy to keep clean, waterproof. It's really cost effective in the grand scheme of things as well, comparable to some of the other versions. And so if we put all those totals together, there's WPC, there's SPC, and there's next generation APC hybrid. There's an IPC hybrid as well that fundamentally are the same thing. So avoid those other two and move to the next generation hybrid. Cardine, Core-Lock is one of them as well. So those things there tick so many more boxes to give you a beautiful board, moving away from the old into the next generation. We'll talk to you again soon.